might be. Wow, I think I'm strong. I'm stronger than the last time I took you on a walk. Just a while ago, because I'm never here. Because, you know, pros of having to go with parents. You can't take care of your dogs on walks. We're going up down here. Ugh. Just scraping against my foot. And hit the pole. Cool. Is it wet on your little princess paws? Because you're just a little princess. Okay, come on. You gotta go. There's no other dogs in here. Ready? She's gonna want to. Look, you can't just sit here forever. You gotta learn to get used to this. Okay, we'll go the other way because I'm pretty sure it's a study. But we're going in the park. Come on. You're so stubborn, even more stubborn than Jet. And Jet is literally so stubborn. Ooh. It's Halloween, guys, and Christmas. I'm so fun. If you yank one more time. Okay, come on. Good girl. Ali. Little miss. I know you don't want to. It's like you're like talking to a little baby. Go to your best angles. Yeah. No. You look like a queen. Okay. Look, come on. Why don't you wanna? Goodness. Anyone like know how to get her more confident in slush? Because she's never actually, it's her first week. She loves the snow, but she hates the slush. See? She's not like that. She's not having the best day of her life. This is not her favorite time of the year. Because look, she's... Oh wait, she has booty, so... Come on. We're not going in the neighbor's yard. Sure you went. You already went, babe.